Hi friends. This is Scissor from PS Tutelar. I will show you how to remove noise from an image. Noise is a grainy veil in a photograph, obscuring details and making picture appear significantly worse. In some cases, photos can be so noisy that they are essentially unusable. At some level, we are all quite familiar with the concept of noise. If not in photography, then in other fields, such as music and audio recording. So, let's get started. First press Ctrl+J to make duplicate layer of image. Right-click on layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. Then go to Filter, Noise. Reduce noise. A window will pop up. Setting is default. Make amount 10 for strength. Preserve detail is 0% and reduce color noise is 100%. Sharpen details is 0% and check remove JPEG artifact. Then click on OK. It will make image little bit blur. Go to Filter and click on Camera Raw Filter. There are many options in it. Choose Detail and expand it. Sharpening amount is 100. Noise reduction is 50. Color noise reduction is 100. Then hit OK. Zoom in image at 100% and see before and after. Again go to Filter, Sharpen, Smart Sharpen. Amount is 100%, radius 3.0 pixels, reduce noise 20%. In shadows, fade amount is 100%. Tonal width is 50% and radius is 50 pixels. In highlights, fade amount is 100%. Tonal width is 50% and radius is 50 pixels. Then hit OK. And here we remove noise from image. Look at before with noise. Then after without noise. So we remove noise without losing details. If you like this technique, then hit like and subscribe. And don't forget to press bell icon. Thanks for watching.